Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our summer Margot Elena, so let's get into it and check it out. Is always one of the prettiest boxes filled with the prettiest products. They always smell fantastic. It's lotions and creams and perfumes. Sometimes we have lifestyle products in here. We generally have some greeting cards. It is just always such a beautiful box. I have gotten this, I think, well, let's see what it says. It says it's number 23. I want to say that I have gotten this box since like number 7. So it's been quite some time. It's $59.99 and you pay shipping. I believe I pay $6.95 and they say you will have more than $200 in product. I do buy this one with my own monies. I always have because it is so pretty. That is what our paperwork looks like. When we open it up, when we just open the box up, that is what it looks like. It's pretty right from the start. And when I open this up, I'll show you again, because usually, watch them prove me wrong, a lot of our products are wrapped up in tissue paper. It's always like opening a present. See how it's all kind of tissue paper wrapped? They do that to get it to you nice and securely. But for me, it just really gives it a, here's a gift to me from me feel. The paperwork says Dazzling Days 2023. And the inside says Daydreams in the Sun. Escape to the sun-soaked days and dreamy evenings of summertime, like the first sighting of a butterfly in the garden or the warmth of a beachside breeze. This box of luxuries encourages you to slow down and revel in the delightful times that the summer season brings. Simply blissful moments of beauty await. And then on this side, it basically just says the name of each thing that we're going to get, and it gives us a value. Our total value this season is $200.50. They say you're going to get $200 worth. I'd say they nailed it. And the summer box has sold out, so if you do subscribe now, your first box will be the fall box, which ships in September. Well, we'll go right for this one because it's on top and it is not wrapped. It is by Tokyo Milk. Generally, it's, we'll see if I can do this. Tokyo Milk, the Cottage Greenhouse, Cottage Greenhouse, I think. They have the new Infinite She and Archive. I'm missing obvious ones. What am I missing here? Let me look real quickly at this. Lalia, yeah. Lalia is the other main one I'm missing. This is the Tokyo Milk Bon Bon Shea Lotion. It is in Wild Whims. That sounds delightful. The boxes are always beautifully done. That is so pretty. These make such beautiful gift presentations too. When I have gotten, because I go through my Lush, my Southern Fleek that I get from Nikki, I go through that and this. The only thing that ever seems to stack up on me are the hand creams. I don't go through the hand creams as quickly, so I do sometimes gift them because they always make just the most beautiful gifts. I mean, what a beautiful presentation. Speaking of which, since, yes, it is sealed, and they seal them with the aluminum. 1 month we got the pokey, then they went away from it again. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave this sealed so that I can pass it along if I want to. The hand cream has a $23 value. Reaching in next, wrapped up in bubble wrap, we have the Cottage Greenhouse Japanese Plum and White Tea Moisture Rich Dry Body Oil. We have gotten this a time or two. Like I said, I have gotten this box for probably 5 years. Probably 5 years. So I have had this before. I'm going to leave this sealed too. I was gonna say, but I can easily explain the scent to you. But you guys know, I am horrible at explaining scents. The fact that I have used it really doesn't change that. That is what the bottle looks like on the inside. The back of this says, never greasy, dry body oils claim their fame by being a happy hydration treatment that is ultra light while absorbing quickly and easily into our skin. Since I have Mr. iPad right here, let me tell you what they say the notes of this are. Japanese plum and white tea. Ta-da! Japanese plum and white tea. I find it to be a slightly green, just very nice, not real floral. Most of the Margot Elena, I always say, if you do not enjoy floral boxes, this is probably not the box for you. Their Archive line and their Infinite She line does tend to be less floral, but the box is a mix and it generally has a lot of floral products in it. So if florals aren't your thing, this is probably not the perfect box for you. This one does not smell as floral. It has a more fresh, green scent to it, my personal opinion. And going back to the hand cream, since I was online, the fragrance notes on this are sweet grass, clary sage, and verdant florals and citron. Moving on, our next wrapped present. Ooh, We have been getting, I would say, our last, maybe even 6 or 8 boxes. It perhaps has been quite some time. We've been getting perfumes each season. We didn't used to get them in the beginning, and I do love collecting perfumes. I have thought many times, because her bottles are generally so gorgeous, that I would like to put a shelf up in my room next to my vanity to set the bottles on. Just stop talking and get this out of here. Just because it would look so gorgeous. This is from the Archive brand, and this is one of the brands that I was saying tends to be less floral. This is very clean looking. It's just clear with some dark lines on it. It has the A for Archive. Yes, to be written. Well, let's look up what they say about this. Okay, first thing I learned is it's yet. Yet to be written, not yes to be written. Its fragrance notes are grapefruit and neroli. What are the odds that they make this without grapefruit oil? Past meets present with a blend of antique script and modern motifs. Revitalizing grapefruit mingles with the effervescent notes of neroli, carrying a crisp breeze of orange blossoms enlivened by zested citrus. An invigorating scent dedicated to the excitement of impromptu voyages where the beauty lies in the endings yet to be written. I wonder if this unscrews by chance. No, it doesn't. That would have been really good. Can't smell it. I don't want to spray it because then I can't pass it along, and since it's got grapefruit in it, we know I can't use it, so we will leave it unsprayed so that someone else can enjoy it. Okay, next out we have another Archive product. I kind of love that we're getting some more of the Archive because I think these are the ones, like this was very citrus forward. It wasn't going to be floral forward, which is what generally Margot Elena is. So this is another Archive, and this one is the Journey Within Green Tea and Willow, and it is a shower gel. So that is what that looks like. It's got a more modern look also. It doesn't tell us what all of the ingredients are, but its key ingredients are jojoba seed oil, shea butter, honey, aloe, and in all of the scent things, it never mentions grapefruit, so I'm going for it. Oh, that smells, oh, that's so green. They say green tea, but I definitely get the grassy scent out of it. Perfect. Perfect for summer. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. It really makes me wish I would just spray this. Yeah, that smells very, very good. I would say, I was going to say, I would say this could be unisex. It walks that fence, at least in my house. Unisex is a different opinion for everybody. Next, we have our greeting cards. I have always liked her greeting cards. They've always been whimsical. You know, we don't just get birthday ones, we get thank yous and just thinking of yous and all kinds of things. And they used to be cute little pictures that said kind of, I don't want to say sarcastic, but fun and whimsical sayings, which are great for those people in your life. But as they have moved, this is the Infinite She. And I think the Infinite She probably appeals to more people because it's more modern. The other ones tend to have that antique Victorian look. But this one is just gorgeous happy birthday with those lovely flowers, and all of their cards are blank inside. And then we have XO, so just a nice love one. I've just said they don't say anything on the inside, and it's proving me a liar. On the inside, this one says, love you, kiss, kiss, I heart you, so much love. And our third is thank you. And it is blank on the inside. I have a birthday, a thank you, and a love card. So those are just really universal. And I just love having cards around because it seems like I get everything else ready for a birthday, an anniversary, Valentine's Day, whatever. And then I'm like, oh no, did I get a card? I love having cards around. Next out, we have the Infinite She. I'm gonna guess it's a lip balm. Yes, it is a lip balm. I could have just taken the lid off. Infinite She Rose Hip and Hibiscus. That is what that looks like. Oh, that smells good. It smells tart and juicy. I guess that's probably the hibiscus. I don't smell rose in it at all. So I don't know if rose hip has rose. Yeah, that's just, it's an oversized, not quite as big as like, you know, the old Bonnie Bells that were the really big ones, but bigger than like a chapstick. I don't know. Can you tell next to my finger? It's just, it's a little bit bigger. I generally put it on, but I don't want to mess with this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills that came in my Ipsy box. If you saw me unbox that, I'll link it here. And I put it, and I just wanted to tape a couple of videos. I had left it up here, so I put it on. I was worried because I did not have a lip liner. And I just, in putting it on, was afraid it was just gonna wander all over my face. And I have been up here talking for almost an hour, and it hasn't moved an inch, so perfect. Anyway, $10 lip balm. Smells fantastic. This is a Lalia Breathe Peony and White Lily Bubbling Bath. Last time we got this product, I had to fix it. Once you take the seal off, and it's gorgeous, as are all of her products. It's a nice, thick, heavy glass. It would be, again, a gorgeous, gorgeous presentation for a gift. But last time, when we took the seal off and we took this out, when you went to put it back in, it would pop back out. I guess it was in there so tight while it was dry with the manufacturing, and then this overwrap, it was enough to keep it in. But once you took it out and it could expand a little, it just kept the pressure, I guess. I don't know. It just kept coming out. But all you had to do was take a knife and put a couple notches on each side, and then it would slide back in and stay. But it did require some DIY. I have had the Lalia Breathe before. It is a very floral one. Yeah, peony and white lily. So I'm going to leave this sealed just in case when I take it off, it needs to be dealt with too, so I don't have to deal with it right away. But isn't that just beautiful? She just does the most gorgeous packaging, and then when you get in it, it's going to bubble nicely. It's going to smell fantastic. It doesn't disappoint once you get past the packaging. Okay, and last out. This feels heavy, like maybe it's a piece of glass or something. It is. And then it's wrapped in really big bubble wrap. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. That is absolutely gorgeous. This, I hope you can, I don't know if you can tell, this is a nice blue, and this is just gorgeous, like a cabbage, is it cabbage roses? Cabbage rose in pink. The back says Margot Elena, Precious Object #1. So perhaps she's going to do more of this. Wipe with a soft cloth, not intended for food use, do not microwave. I don't see this as food use. I see this sitting on my nightstand with my lip balm in it, get my City Beauty night oil right there on my nightstand. I usually have a hand cream kind of standing up, but it would lay nicely in here also. That is gorgeous. You can tuck your rings in it. You could put it next to your sink if this goes well in your kitchen. It would look gorgeous with like your Dawn or whatever you have it decanted into, and your sponge. This could have so many uses. This is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, Margot Elena does not disappoint. In this month's box, we got the 3 greeting cards. They say they have a $16.50 value. The Archive Shower Gel with a $23 value. The Gorgeous Hand Cream, also a $23 value. This Coming Up Roses ceramic tray, which they say has a $20 value. And I'm here to tell you, I absolutely agree with this. It is so heavy and has such, it's just, the quality is gorgeous on it. I always compare things like this. If I saw this in Home Goods, would I pick this up for $20? I probably would. It is absolutely beautiful. We have our dry body oil. They say has a $32 value. I did not realize that. We have our bubble bath with a $22 value. Our Archive fragrance with a $54 value, and our Infinite She lip balm that has a $10 value. That is what this season's box looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? Margot Elena never disappoints in the beauty of her boxes. I also love the scents very, very much. I think perhaps, no, I was gonna say this is the first time that I haven't been able to use one of the products because of my allergies, but there is a blood orange and grapefruit line that she does that is absolutely, the scent is incredible. And there's like a shower gel, a body lotion, and I think a shower scrub that my oldest granddaughter loves it whenever that line comes in the box because she knows I can't use it. And the scent is, it's real modern and citrusy and gorgeous. I think those are the only 2 things that I've ever not been able to use in the box. So it works for me. That was my glasses on my Stanley. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will put the link down below to Margot Elena. I am in no way affiliated with Margot Elena. It is a $59.99 box. My shipping is $6.95. I know in the old days that used to be relative to where they were shipping it to. So if you go over to sign up, be sure and check out what your shipping will be. And I also saw on the site while we were there that the summer box has sold out, and the next box to ship will be fall, which will ship in September. But if it's something that you're thinking about, I wouldn't drag my feet too long because it does tend to sell out. Okay, have a great evening, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care.